Are you ready to take your fishing game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter portable fish finders, compact, user-friendly devices designed to help you locate fish quickly and efficiently. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best portable fish finders on the market, highlighting their features, benefits, and how they can enhance your fishing experience. Get ready to make your next trip on the water more productive and enjoyable. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Reelsonar iBobber Fish Finder. The Reelsonar iBobber is a remarkable tool that revolutionizes your fishing experience. This castable fish finder offers a wealth of information about fish activity, water conditions, and underwater terrain, all designed to enhance your time on the water. Imagine being able to identify schools of fish, understand water depths, and gauge bottom structures with ease. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS, which allows you to effortlessly mark your favorite fishing spots and navigate your routes. Picture yourself returning to that perfect fishing hole again and again, all made possible by the convenience of tagging locations directly through the intuitive smartphone app. With a robust Bluetooth connection, you can control the iBobber from up to 100 feet away, granting you the flexibility to explore without being tethered. This truly liberates you to focus on what matters most, enjoying your time fishing. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, the iBobber is designed to deepen your connection with the water, increasing your chances of landing that big catch. It's not just a piece of technology, it's your new fishing companion, ready to provide insights that were once reserved for seasoned experts. So are you ready to elevate your fishing adventures? Embrace the power of the Reelsonar iBobber and let it guide you to better fishing outcomes, memorable experiences, and the joy of the catch. Turn your fishing trips into successful outings with intelligence at your fingertips. At number 4, Deeper Pro plus Smart Sonar Wi-Fi Fish Finder. The Deeper Pro plus Smart Sonar is your ultimate portable Wi-Fi fish finder, designed to elevate your fishing experience. Imagine having a powerful sonar system and basic GPS right at your fingertips. By connecting the Deeper Pro Plus to the dedicated iOS or Android app, you can seamlessly enhance your fishing strategy. Simply attach the transducer ball to your fishing line and cast it up to 300 feet away. As you slowly retrieve it, the dual-signal transducer sends real-time images of underwater structures, fish depth, and even water temperature directly to your smartphone. This advanced technology allows you to make informed decisions on where to cast your line for the best results. Take advantage of the mapping feature to create custom maps of the underwater landscape, helping you identify hotspots where fish are likely to gather. The integrated GPS plotter offers basic navigation and waypoint recording, ensuring you can easily return to those prime fishing locations. One of the standout features of the Deeper Pro Plus is the digital fishing log. This allows you to track your best catches and share your experiences with fellow fishing enthusiasts on the social network. It's not just about the catch, it's about the memories you create along the way. With the Deeper Pro Plus, you're not just fishing. You're engaging in a richer, more informed experience that connects you with your surroundings and fellow anglers. Dive into a new level of fishing adventure today. Number 3, we have the HawkEye FishTrax 1CK. When you're selecting a fish finder for your kayak, the HawkEye FishTrax 1CK is an excellent option to consider. Designed with your needs in mind, it features a glare-resistant color display that is both the smallest and lightest among the options available. This means you can easily monitor your fishing activity without worrying about bulk or weight. What sets the FishTrax 1CK apart is its user-friendly installation. The display and transducer arm mount to a sturdy base that can attach to any standard gear track on your kayak. This allows you to set it up or pack it away in mere seconds, perfect for those spontaneous fishing trips. Additionally, the universal transducer is designed to perform seamlessly on both boats and kayaks, ensuring versatility no matter how you choose to fish. It even floats, making it suitable for ice fishing as well. With this device, you will see clearer underwater imagery, helping you locate fish more effectively and ultimately enhancing your fishing experience. Imagine the thrill of being able to identify fish locations quickly and efficiently, giving you more time to focus on reeling in the catch of the day. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned angler, the HawkEye FishTrax 1CK will elevate your kayak fishing adventures to new heights. Don't miss out on this valuable tool that can help you connect with nature and improve your skills on the water. At number 2, Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. The Garmin Striker 4 is an ideal companion for your fishing adventures. If you value convenience and versatility, this unit is designed specifically with you in mind. Weighing in at just a few pounds, the Garmin Striker 4 seamlessly transitions between ice fishing and kayak use, making it perfect for all seasons. Its compact design ensures it won't take up much space, and when paired with a rail accessory, it fits securely on nearly any fishing kayak. The narrow screen offers excellent stability, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: your catch. Equipped with a straightforward compressed high-intensity radiated pulse transducer, the Garmin Striker 4 delivers crisp, clear images, making it easier than ever to distinguish fish from debris in the water. You'll appreciate the clarity the compressed high-intensity radiated pulse technology provides, as it enhances your ability to target fish effectively. This feature can make a significant difference in your fishing success. Not only does the Garmin Striker 4 offer impressive functionality, but it is also an affordable option within its category. With solid models available at various price points, you can find the right fit for your budget without compromising on quality. Make your fishing trips more enjoyable and efficient with the Garmin Striker 4. Whether you're navigating through icy waters or gliding across a serene lake, this unit empowers you to focus on what you love most: catching fish. Elevate your fishing experience today with a tool designed to support your passion. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Lowrance HOOK2 Fish Finder. The Lowrance HOOK2 Fish Finder is your reliable companion for an enhanced fishing experience. Designed with you in mind, the HOOK2 4X offers a perfect blend of a vibrant color display, dual-beam sonar, and essential navigation features, all while being compact and budget-friendly. This fish finder stands out as an excellent choice for a diverse range of users, from beginners to seasoned anglers. With its wide-angle transducer, you'll enjoy bright and detailed images of underwater structures and fish, helping you make informed decisions on where to cast your line. The easy-to-navigate interface ensures you can quickly access the information you need to make the most of your time on the water. Equipped with a GPS plotter, the HOOK2 4X enables you to mark waypoints, set courses, and effortlessly track your progress. This simple yet effective navigation feature keeps you oriented so you can focus on what truly matters: the thrill of fishing. Plus, its rugged carry case is designed not only for portability but also provides ample space for tackle trays and a battery, making it an all-in-one solution for your fishing adventures. The best part? The Lowrance HOOK2 Fish Finder comes at a great price, with solid models available across different price points. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your gear, this fish finder is an essential tool that enhances your fishing experience. Get ready to discover new depths and reel in your next big catch. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which portable fish finder you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.